Have you finally found the best Mortise lock for your door? Let's unbox it. Corona single Mortise lock. Back set 40 millimeters. Door thickness 35 millimeters. Included 3 brass keys. Cylinder type single one-side keyed. Cylinder length 60 millimeters. ANSI grade 3 compliant. Tested up to 200,000 turn cycles. Double turn lock feature with hook. The other features with 3 keys. Double cylinder lock. Cylinder length 60 millimeters. Corona double mortise lock. Back set 40 millimeters. Door thickness 35 millimeters. Double turn lock feature with hook. ANSI grade 3 compliant. Tested up to 200,000 turn cycles. Choose the best lock for your door now.